What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Stuff We Love. Today we're looking at a Bosch impact driver and drill driver kits.
Well, it's the CLPK 238-181.
Okay, wonderful, Josh. Tell me what makes these special. We see a lot of impact driver, drill driver combo kits come through. What's so cool about this one?
Yeah, so you're holding on to it. What do you notice? Comfort? I mean, if you're going to tell me that's not super comfortable,
yeah, it's got a nice grip.
me.
We got the 3 LEDs on the front.
Yep.
That's nifty.
So no shadowing on the tip.
Yep.
So there's, I mean, the drill's sort of a drill. It's a step up from the other drills for sure, but obviously it's Bosch, it's quality. They got the EC brushless motors are running in here now with these 18 volts. So Bosch makes great stuff with their lineup and everything. But like, as you see on the drill here, if you're going to drill and you got the tip close, you mar up your stuff.
Right.
Doesn't do it with a...
Oh, it doesn't spin.
Yes.
Oh, that's cool.
So that's a really neat thing. 20 clutch positions. This is pretty much just the drill side of everything. So it's got the LED light and everything. Now this is why I brought these in, because it's super cool. So you got your bit holder.
Yep.
You can take that out.
Yep.
So you're done with that. Then you've got your double-sided bits.
Okay.
These lock in here. There's
okay, that's cool.
Drills
Mine
that do
doesn't
that
do
out
that.
there.
Yeah.
I know. So you can rotate it, get different bits with different tip sizes. So then you pull it out and you're like, oh, I got to screw down my plates, or I got to work on my car, whatever I got to do. 1/2-inch socket right on the end.
Boom.
Can change the
awesome.
speed. You can turn the lights off and on. I mean, this thing is a torque monster. 1,650 inch-pounds, not foot-pounds, inch-pounds. 3.2 pounds of the battery. I mean, that's pretty dang light.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not too bad. And I can pull off the wheels of my car with this. Nifty.
Yeah. And the other thing that I love is it's got the kickback control in these. So if you're drilling and you hit something or whatever happens and you're gonna get that kick, it automatically senses that and it won't allow it to do that. It'll actually give the motor out so you don't twist your wrist. So there's another big thing I like. Do you see it?
Got the hook.
The hook. But look at belt hook extra deep. So to put it on, less likely it's gonna fall.
Yeah,
you know what I mean? You can put it on your bags if you want to. It's got a tether loop for the guys, working up high who need stuff attached. Hook that right on the back, so if your tool does fall, you gotta catch with that tether. So, I don't know, I gotta say, Bosch, great job. Love these drills. These are one of the most comfortable, if not the most comfortable? Yeah, these are one of the most, if not the comfortable. You got me.
The most comfortable. They're very comfortable. You got me. It's a great product. It's the Bosch CLPK 238-181 impact driver and drill driver combo kit. $299. Check them out at BoschTools.com. Stay tuned for more stuff we love.
Comes with extra tips too.
Yeah.
To get started. Hey, did you copy my glasses?